In this video, we'll walk through the different ways you can share your Geocodio maps, whether you want to download a static image, embed an interactive map, or share a link. To download a static image of your map, click the Download button in the top right corner of the map editor. This saves a PNG of the current viewport. You can adjust what's captured by panning the map, dragging the center divider, or resizing your browser window. To share or embed a map, click the Share button in the top right corner. You'll need to change your map's privacy setting to either public or hidden. Public makes the map discoverable, while hidden means only people with the link can view it. Once sharing is enabled, you'll see an HTML embed code starting with iframe. Copy this code and paste it into your website. It works on most platforms, including WordPress, Drupal, and Squarespace. You can also share your map as an interactive link. In the same Share menu, copy the share link URL and send it to coworkers or anyone you'd like. The link gives view-only access. Recipients can explore the map but cannot make edits. If you're an Enterprise Unlimited customer and don't see the Share button, public maps may not yet be enabled on your account. Check out the Enable Maps guide for instructions on how to turn this on. That's how you share maps in Geocodio. Download images, embed interactive maps on your website, or share a link, all from the map editor. Head to Geocodio to get started.